Why do we breathe oxygen? And why can any other gas kill us? The air around us is made up of a large mixture of gases: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. And even though nitrogen is the most abundant at 78%, we breathe oxygen, which makes up only 21%. So why oxygen specifically? And what makes it different from the other gases? The story starts with a tragedy that happened in 2005 at a gas station in the US when two workers went down a pit that had a nitrogen leak without knowing. Since nitrogen has no color or smell, the moment they went down, they suffocated instantly and died because humans simply cannot survive without oxygen for even a few minutes. We need oxygen to produce energy. The human body works using energy that comes from breaking down glucose inside the mitochondria. But this burning process can't happen without the key spark: oxygen. It pulls electrons from glucose and converts it into energy, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. The energy produced gets stored in a molecule called ATP, which acts like the battery that cells use for every function. And every time we use up energy, we need a new breath of oxygen to restart the cycle. So why don't we use a gas like nitrogen? Simply because it's non-reactive and doesn't participate in any reactions inside the body. The bond between nitrogen atoms is extremely strong and almost impossible to break, so it can't help in producing energy the way oxygen does. But if oxygen is this important, why isn't it the main gas in the atmosphere instead of only 21%? Because having too much oxygen is dangerous. Breathing pure oxygen can make our cells burn too fast and produce harmful substances that damage the body. That's where the other gases come in. They dilute oxygen and make it safe to breathe. That's why when we inhale air, we take in all the gases, but the lungs extract only the oxygen and return the rest with the exhale. And if we compare, inhaled air, 21% oxygen, exhaled air, 17% oxygen, the rest was used to produce energy. This is also why mouth-to-mouth resuscitation works. Because even our exhaled air still contains enough oxygen to save someone. In the end, oxygen is the key to life, and the other gases also play their role in keeping the atmosphere balanced and safe to breathe. Our goal is to increase your knowledge without making you feel it. Follow us.